The title of my talk is Basic Medical Sciences Integration at Faculty of Medicine. My name is Reem Sallam. I'm professor in medical biochemistry and molecular biology, Faculty of Medicine, Galala and Ain Shams University. The advisor of my project is Professor Hayam Muhammad Aiz. A situation analysis first. What is the problem? The problem was that there was interdisciplinary redundancy and material overlapping during conducting basic medical sciences educational session in the preclinical years. And we think that the cause for that is lack of coordination between the interdisciplinary subjects or topics, and also the lack of common framework combining different disciplines. We think that by doing this project, we will be achieving integration in the medical curriculum without any redundancy or overlapping. Why is it important? Because it will help, we believe it will help in graduating better prepared medical doctors who are capable of thinking outside the box. And how is that? We think that it will best utilize the teaching and learning times of instructors and the students, and it will motivate the students by bridging the gap between the clinical and the basic and the clinical medical sciences, and it will also improve the retention of knowledge. Of course, what is known before is that we need to, as medical institution, we need to move higher up in the integration ladder. And we think that by introducing co-teaching session with active interdisciplinary participating, it's something new, was not done before, at least in the Faculty of Medicine at Galala University. And the base or the background is to improve in the level at which our institution is staying at in the integration. The overall target was to achieve integration in medical curriculum, as we mentioned, without redundancy or overlapping. And specifically, we target the respiratory system, as I am the coordinator of this module, and we chose the topic of adult respiratory distress syndrome to be delivered to the student in a co-teaching session. Actually, we designed a 2-hour co-teaching integrated session that include pre and post test online access, and a core session participated by or delivered by basic medical sciences and clinical sciences. First, as a description in more details, I revised the module content and I pinpoint the topic to be chosen, and it was the respiratory distress syndrome. Then, by looking at the disciplines required for this topic, I formed a team and I contacted them. I also prepared an online workshop for all teaching staff, not only the ones who will share with me in delivering this lecture, so that the interdisciplinary integration via co-teaching is a concept that I'm introducing in my department. And in my college. Then we met online, me and the co-authors, to brainstorm what will be done and to decide on the steps and then to act. Actually, we informed the student with the flow of the co-teaching session. So the lessons that we learned are these, depending on the successes and the challenges and what next. The successes is that the students score in the post-test were higher, and this indicate gain of knowledge, and that the satisfaction for both students and instructor were improved. Challenges was the time constraints for the busy schedule of the participating instructors, and the instructor availability in one teaching slot, and also that there was minor or insignificant improvements in the performance of the students that was done in the end of semester exam. We are planning to replicate in other topics in the same module and in other modules, and to follow up on the performance of students graduating by this co-teaching method. The reference is Harden 2000, and I acknowledge all the colleagues and my advisor for her help and support, and the administrative help of FAMER, and thank you very much.